The 2025 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid is a compelling option for those seeking a fuel-efficient and stylish compact SUV. It combines Mazda's signature driving dynamics with the benefits of hybrid technology. Design asterisk. Sleek and modern the CX-5 Hybrid retains Mazda's signature Kodo design language, featuring sleek lines and a sporty profile. Premium interior. The interior is well appointed with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a user-friendly infotainment system. Performance hybrid powertrain. The hybrid powertrain offers a smooth and efficient driving experience with a good balance of power and fuel economy. Dynamic handling. Mazda's focus on driving dynamics ensures that the CX-5 Hybrid handles nimbly and provides a fun-to-drive experience. All-wheel drive. The available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability in various weather conditions. Technology. Advanced infotainment. The infotainment system is intuitive and features a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and advanced navigation. Driver assistance features. The CX-5 Hybrid offers a range of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Overall. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid is a well-rounded SUV that offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and fuel efficiency. It's a great choice for those who want a practical and enjoyable vehicle. Key features. Stylish and modern design. Fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain. Dynamic handling. Advanced technology and safety features. Comfortable and spacious interior. If you're looking for a stylish, efficient, and fun-to-drive SUV, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 Hybrid is definitely worth considering.